What's up, guys? At the Enthusiast here, back with another video. Today's video will be installing the Mishimoto oil catch can, which you have right here, which I kind of already pre-assembled a little bit already. So I put these on. That's the outlet, inlet. Just screw those on, and then to get the catch can on the bracket, it has the screws for the Allen wrench. So you just put it on and then put the screws on top. It comes with the screws already, so that was simple. But now what's left is putting on the hoses. But before that, I have to put these little studs in. So for the 2022, as you can see, that hole there and that hole down there, they don't come with the studs. Now for year model 2018 through 2021, they already have the studs there. But for some reason, the 2022s didn't come with the studs. So I'm gonna have to go in through the bottom and push. I only need one, so it'll be that hole right there, and push it through so I'm able to connect the bottom part of the bracket. The top part of the bracket connects up here, and then the bottom connects down there. So first I'm gonna put the stud in, and then after that we'll go to the next step. All right, guys, so also with the Mishimoto oil catch can, it doesn't come with the screws for the 2022. So I bought it from K8 Stinger Store. So the Add W1 catch cans actually come with the studs. So they told it's a guy at K8 Stinger Store told me that they could send the studs that come with the Add W1, so I could able to install it on the 2022. So that was pretty good and it worked. So this other one, I don't need it. It's for the bottom hole. I just need it for the top hole. So I actually got it on. Like I said, you have to reach in from the other end and stick it through. So for the top one, I had to unscrew this and then slide it in, screw it back on. And then on the opposite side down there, you slide it in and you put the washer on, and then it comes with a rubber spacer. You put that on, and then you slide the catch can, the bracket on through there, and then it comes with a screw right there, and then you screw it on, and then it's good to go. It took a little bit, but I got it on. It's nice and tight. As you see, it's not going nowhere. So the next thing is taking off this hose, which goes into the intake manifold. So you're gonna take this one hose, disconnect it from here, and then it connects right here on the bottom right here, and disconnect it there. And then I'll plug in these hoses over here. So we got one. This hose goes to this, to the, let's see, the outlet, the output, and then it connects up here. And then you got the inlet, or the outlet goes here, and then the inlet goes from here to the bottom piece, which I use the other hose, which is this one. And then I'll put those on, of course, to tighten it up. So let's get that bad boy off. Okay, now we're gonna install this is considered the inlet hose. So we're gonna install this one first, and then we're gonna install the outlet hose, which is the bigger one. So this one would pretty much connect here, and then the other end will connect down here at the bottom. So I'm gonna install this one, and then I'm gonna do the outlet one next. All right, now I got the tubes on. Now I got the tighteners on. Now I'm about to tighten these up on each end, and after that, it's all done. Now everything is on nice and tight. Everything on nice and tight. Down there, got that one on nice and tight. Alright, that's it. That's the install of the Mishimoto oil catch can for the 2022 Kia Stinger